This is me, Niyali from Tapsules. So, wacking has gained a huge popularity within these few years. And for that only, today I'm going to teach you some basic steps of wacking for the beginners. So, without any late, let's get started. First, I'm doing it in right hand. Follow how I am doing it. Here's a thing to note that when you are taking the hand back, remember to touch the shoulders. Similarly, do it in left hand. And yeah, remember first start with slow speed and then slowly increase your speed. Now I am doing it in both hands. Now just I'm increasing the speed. Now let's move to the second step. First take your right hand back touching the shoulder as shown. Keep the left hand in front. Similarly, now just do the same thing with opposite hand. Now follow how I am doing it. And now just increase your speed. You can do half sitting as I have done. Now let's go to the next step. First roll your right hand left in front, touch the shoulder in back. And then again roll it in front, making a circle. Just how I am doing it. Now just we have to increase the speed. Take your time while doing it. At first. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Guys, if you had liked my video, then please do like it, share, and do not forget to subscribe to Tapsules for more such videos and ring the bell icon for the notification of new videos.